Hello.
There you go. They try to sell you everything.
How are you?
What's good here?
Petraya. This
What is this?
beef rendang. Beef rendang is the beef with the spinach with rice.
You know, I had this beef rendang in Malaysia. It was very good.
If you're not good, you can change. If
Okay.
you're not good, you can take.
Alright.
I try you this one.
Alright, so we're gonna try the beef rendang again here in Indonesia. What's your name?
My name is Katie.
Keti. You come to Keti to Warung Nenas. Huh?
If you eat no good,
Yeah,
it's okay.
but-
Then you change another you.
But don't put 1 spoon of rice. I'm a big guy. So
No, for
she's gonna give me a big beef rendang. Yes. I was gonna try something else, but he said it's big, so I'm gonna have this for now. And he said you guys are the best at beef rendang, so we're gonna give it a shot. Let's go! Where's my food?
Beef rendang.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
That looks delicious.
enjoy, yeah?
Thank you so much. Thank you. The magical moment is here. You got a big pile of beef, beautiful pile of rice. Let's give it some loving. Get a slice of meat with a little bit of spinach and the magical rice to form this beautiful shape. The moment of truth is here. She's scared. She's looking here. She's here scared, guys. She's scared. It's not good. I haven't even tried it. Alright, let's go.
Another. Another.
No, seriously, it's very tender. Very tender. Very, very tender meat. Very nice. I mean, the meat is very, very tender. It's like a steakhouse kind of meat. Very good. Thank you very much. So, guys, this is Mr. T, and I approve this beef rendang at
Warung nanas.
right here, guys. So, if you're in Bali, watching in Bali, I approve this place. Look it up on Google Maps. Come down here, have this beef rendang. It's beautiful. Till next time, this is Mr. T. This is Bali. This is Indonesia. Much love.